Okay, ready. Ugh. Bro, use your teleport gun. Use your teleport gun, bro. Hold it down. Hold it down. There. Where are you? Bro, use your hook shot to grapple onto the ceiling. Okay, he's going to get on a... What did I tell you? Over down here. Now stay on the ceiling. Stay on the ceiling because Armstrong hates. That's it. Armstrong just hates. How's that box here? Wait, not. Mimic. I found. I'm seeing red as a fucking mimic. Can you at least tell me what the hell is the secret of the mimic? I think we're good, chat. Run. I'm glad you're exploring with me. The woman's up here, by the way. Nope, not. Wait. I guess I guess we did it.
Did we?
I kind of escaped and then died.
Oh.
Oh wait, you also died? Oh, I should drive it in my car right after a beer. Take it, we're going back.